In this video, I'll be showing you how to increase your daily upload limits to YouTube. Now, if you're trying to upload a bunch of videos and you notice that you have a limit, this is simply because you haven't finished setting up your channel. Now, to finish setting up your channel so that you can increase that daily upload limit, all you're going to do is simply open up YouTube Studio and then select Settings. From here, you're going to go ahead and select Channel. Then you're going to navigate to Feature Eligibility. Next, you should see the three stages that you have available. You have standard features, you have intermediate features, and then you have advanced features. Now, when it tells you under advanced features that it is not yet enabled, it means that you need to go through the process of setting up advanced features. So just click on the drop-down button like so, and then you'll see the requirements needed to access your advanced features. So you need intermediate features enabled. So as you can see, mine is currently enabled. If it's not turned on for you, go through the process of turning it on. And then you need a video verification, a valid ID, or appropriate channel history. Now, appropriate channel history can just be you posting consistently. Valid ID, so you can use your passport or your ID or your driver's license, take a photo, upload, or a video verification, so just a quick phone camera and you following the prompts just to record a video and send it off. Once it's all been confirmed, you should now be able to use the advanced features, and using the advanced features allows you to upload more videos daily. You'll also be able to apply for monetization as long as you have advanced features enabled. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.